Well, today is a severe weather alert day as we watch for the possibility of a couple of stronger storms. Generally later on today, we're talking after sunset into the first part of the overnight. Any storm that is able to get on the stronger side, heavy rain and damaging winds are the primary concern, although some hail and a brief tornado cannot be ruled out, but those threats are significantly lower. With that heavy rain, if storms stay over the same area, that would also cause a potential flooding concern. Again, so rain and wind are our primary concerns today. For now, we're really just kind of light sprinkles, a couple of heavier downpours, one into Indiana County, another one moving right out of, looks like portions out of Irwin, heading up towards Jeanette. That's really about it. Again, some light rain is falling. Keep the rain gear handy if you are heading out as you head through the afternoon hours. Again, later on today, we'll continue seeing scattered showers, perhaps a rumble of thunder as we get towards 4 o'clock. But our main action time frame looks to generally be between about 10 and 2 when our cold front actually gets here. So if storms get stronger, that's the most likely time frame of this happening. Those will swing through during the overnight. By tomorrow morning, the last of our rain showers will be exiting off to the east from the overnight, and then we'll watch another round of showers arrive tomorrow. Could be a rumble of thunder with this, but this looks to mostly be rain as we head through late on your Thursday, and then we'll keep a small shower chance around as we head into your Friday as well. So if you're not seeing the rain, you are seeing the clouds on Action Cam. It's been a very gray day so far. 76 is the current temperature. Winds are light. We'll add a couple degrees from where we are now. We'll try and make it to 80. South of the city may get there. And again, we are on severe weather alert day as we head through the rest of the afternoon and into the first part of the overnight. So scattered rain for us today. We'll finish at 79. Again, late day storms, they could get on the stronger side. Down to 65 tonight. Storms early, then showers left over towards sunrise. Very muggy one for us tonight. 79 tomorrow, scattered showers. Again, not a washout tomorrow. Some leftover showers Friday at 71. We'll keep it dry for Saturday and Sunday, although there could be a rogue shower, and then we start warming as we head through the middle of next week.
Hi, I'm Jeff Rossen. Coming up on Rossen Report's Price Cut Calendar. We just found out when the big grocery stores and the major retailers cut their prices every week. And we're going to share it even if they don't want you to know it. Plus, what to do with your food at home to save money even when you think you can't use that stuff anymore. It's coming expired. We have the solutions. Rossen Report's coming up.